Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with the project share. Today is Sunday and I had some time, so I thought I would just play around with some of my new things that I got in. So I ordered these cone beads from Amazon because I was watching Poochie's, I think it was a tutorial, but it was one of her lives where she was showing what you can do with these beads. And it's hard to find like cone shaped anything, let alone here where I live. And so I ordered it from Amazon and it comes with 2 bags. So as you can see, I didn't even touch this bag yet. And sorry, I didn't even wash my hands yet. But yeah, so I just dumped out 1 bag and I decided to paint all of those beads. So as you can see, I painted it all different colors. So I started with something I thought looked like a ice cream cone color. And then I did some pink, and then I did some blue, and then I did some green. So I didn't get a chance to make any with the green yet because they were still drying, but I wanted to play already. So I went through my stash of bubblegum beads, and because I think she said that that was the best size, which is like 20 or 22 millimeter. And I just pulled out a handful of them, and I started making them, and it was so much fun, you guys. So the only challenge I had was I think my eye pins were a little too short, or it was just right actually. So when I used these larger cherry beads, it like barely fit, and then so I went to the smaller one, and then it was easier to wrap the coil. And I did have to put like a larger size sequin on the bottom, so some of them are like it just fits, and then the sequin would like pull through the cone, and so I had to like redo several of them. But anyway, here's all the ones that I came up with, and look how many I made. It was pretty fast because all you're doing is just layering, right? So I just get I used eye pins. You can use a head pin, but you have to make sure that it's not going to go through the cone bead bottom, because the cone bead bottom, the hole is kind of big. Yeah, so you have to find something that's going to block it from going through. That's why I used the sequins. And yeah, so I think it was pretty, like, I did it really quickly and it was really fun, and I just wanted to share, like, look how many new dangles I have to play with. I will likely give a lot of these away, like in swaps or Happy Mail, or you know, my giveaway and that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to share with you how fun it was, and even just to paint these, they do dry pretty quickly. I just used some acrylic paint. If you saw me on Instagram, I stick them on the skewer and then I paint them, and then I let it dry like over something so it doesn't touch like the plate. And then after it dries, I pull it off, and then I do the edges. I did the bottom and then the top. So you know, it's not time consuming. I don't know, it didn't take me much time, maybe like an hour to do all of the up until like the finished project. And again, that was a lot of beads that I painted. So but I'm the type, like, I just like to do it all so that I don't have to like stop and paint it again. So that's why I did it that way. And then I still have another bag if I really want to make more, which I doubt I will want to. So I will likely include this in some Happy Meal, or maybe some in my giveaway, that kind of stuff, so other people can play around too. Okay, so that is all I have for today's project share, and I'll talk to you guys next video. Bye.